Students, in this video, I'll give you an introduction to phrasal verbs. So, what is phrasal verb? So, let's know about that.
What is phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of two or three words. The first word is a verb and the second word is a preposition. For example, put on, get up, turn off, deal with, etc. In the lesson Making a Mango Pickle, we came across some phrasal verbs. Am I right? So let's go through that and their meanings. So all of you take page number 27 and we can find out the phrasal verbs from this page. All of you look this first paragraph. Here, can you identify the phrasal verb? Yes, called out. Call out means shout or to call somebody loudly. Now all of you read the sentence to understand the meaning. Hariha's son was playing by himself in the open veranda of their house when Durga called out suddenly from behind the jackfruit tree in their courtyard. Now all of you look at this paragraph. Can you identify the phrasal verb? Yes, very good. Coming up. Come up means appear or move towards someone. Now all of you read that sentence to understand the meaning. What is it? Asked Appu, jumping off the veranda in front of their house and coming up to her. Now all of you take page number 28 and identify the phrasal verbs. Students, look at this paragraph. Can you identify the phrasal verb here? Yes, bring down is the phrasal verb in this paragraph. Now let's go through its meaning. Bring down means to take something down. Now read that sentence. But Ma will give it to me if I bring down the oil pot from the shelf, replied Appu, scared. Students, here is another paragraph. Can you identify the phrasal verb? Yes, look out. Let's go through the meaning. Look out means keep watching. Now let's go through the sentence to understand the meaning. You stand by the back door and keep a lookout. Now all of you look at this paragraph. Where is the phrasal verb? Yes, look at the last sentence. Put out is the phrasal verb here. Shall we go through its meaning? Put out means to show. Look the last sentence. Here, put out your hand. Now identify the phrasal verb from this paragraph. Yes, fall off. Now let's know the meaning of fall off. Fall off means fall down. Now all of you look the last sentence. There is lots and lots of budding mangoes that will fall off in the afternoon sun. Now all of you look at this paragraph and identify the phrasal verb from this paragraph. Yes, gobble up is that phrasal verb. Now let's go through its meaning. Gobble up means to eat quickly. Now all of you look at this sentence. When she found that she still had many left, she hid behind the trunk of the jackfruit tree and started to gobble up the rest. Now all of you take page number 29 and look at this paragraph. Can you identify the phrasal verb? Yes, hold on. Hold on means to wait. Now read the sentence. Now hold on. Let me take a breath. Now all of you look at this paragraph and identify the phrasal verb. Yes, cut up. What do you mean by cut up? Cut up means to divide something into small pieces. Now all of you read the sentence. A little later, when she sat down in the veranda in front of the kitchen to cut up a cucumber for children, Appu flopped down next to her.
In the same paragraph, you can see another phrasal verb. Can you identify it? Yes, flop down. Flop down means to sit suddenly. Now all of you read that sentence. Appu flopped down next to her. Now all of you look at this paragraph. Where is the phrasal verb? Yes, in the first sentence, did you see the phrasal verb spread out? Now shall we identify the meaning? Spread out means to show. Now all of you read this paragraph. Durga spread out her palm to get her share and asked a little hesitantly, "Isn't there any more of the rice fry, Ma?" Students, hope you all got an idea about phrasal verbs. Am I right? I gave you just an introduction to the phrasal verbs. All of you study the meanings of these phrasal verbs, okay? Students, now you have a project. Now, all of you take page number 32. Here is your project. Now, all of you read that the story revolves around a poor Bengali Brahmin family in the early years of 20th century. The father, Harihar, is a priest who is unable to make both ends meet. The mother, Sarbojoya, has the chief responsibility of raising her mischievous daughter Durga and caring Inder, a distant aunt of Harihar. With the arrival of Appu in the family, dramatic moments happen in their daily life. Now, watch the film Pathir Panchali and express your views in the space given. Students, here the paragraph that I read is about the family of Durga. Students, here you have to watch the film Pathir Panchali and you have to express your views in the space given. Look, Pathir Panchali in my view. Look, the first one. What is the main theme of the film? Here you have to write the theme of the film. Second one. Who are the other characters you see in the film who are not in the text? Third one. Which scene in this film attracts you the most? Why? Here you have to write the scene that attracts you the most and you have to write the reason also. Then look the fourth one. Identify a funny incident in the film. Fifth one. Mention the most tragic event in the film. Students, after writing that, you have to write an appreciation of the film Pathir Panchali. Students, to do this project, you must watch the film Pathir Panchali. You can write this project in a project book. So students, we have completed our third chapter, making a mango pickle. So we will start the next unit in the next class. So we will meet there. So thank you, dear children.